Hi, my name is Commander. I'm a workflow automation specialist, and today I'll be walking you through a project I built for a client who wanted a lead capture and qualification system on n8n. So, this particular company, this particular client, they have an AI focused agency where they perform AI services. So, you can see here, this is the name of the company plus AI solution, and they wanted to integrate n8n with Google Sheets that would capture the CRM from this place and also send them welcome messages based on the type of criteria they fall in. So for this particular agency, they offer three AI services, and I'm just going to walk you through what the workflow is. So from this first part, this is a trigger where they would anyone who wants to work with this particular agency where the form is being embedded is going to fill out this form. When they fill out this form, based on their time immediately or within the week, they would be qualified as hot lead. But if it's sometime in the month, they will be qualified as a warm lead. But if they are just browsing, they are just trying to see which type of service this particular agency provide, they will be known as cold lead, and they would also be tracked into the CRM because the system wants to see all of these leads captured so that they can send them messages and follow up eventually. So that is what this particular system is here. So what I did is to add an update field where all of these leads that are coming from our timeline will be updated because the client wants to see the status, right? So this is where it is updated here on the status field, and everything from the form that they are filling, including their additional notes, what they wanted to do, what how they wanted to use this particular service that they want to buy, everything is added here. That's why we have an update sheet for each of the lead system. Then we have a welcome message, which is an HTML format that you would also see when I test out this workflow. So let's try it out. I'm going to execute workflow, and I'm going to fill out this form as if I was a new client. Been submitted, everything is going to run automatically. So you can see that this particular new client, Rita, has been added into our CRM system because the client wanted to see the CRM system of every new lead that is entering the system. And based on the line that they have been given the allocated status for it. So this is the status. And based on the status, the client can know when to reach out and when to follow up. Right here, this is the message they would get, type of timeline that they have, because all of the timeline have a different message, and you can see that the workflow is successful and it passes through this level to get to this one. So this is the email I got. This is for priority. So you can see that the request is being fast tracked and a team is going to reach out to me within the next 24 hours. And if I wanted to visit the site, that is the agency site, I can click on this place and visit it. Questions that I want the team to answer, I can just reply this message and the team would respond to me. So this is what I built for my clients. If you want a workflow automation specialist that will not only solve repetitive tasks for you, but give you a detailed walkthrough video and an SOP guide for you and your team, you can reach out to me. Once again, my name is Commander, and I would love to work with you.